all, it's great that Bombay Times, Times of India has kept the culture alive. That every year they have Fashion Week, and this year also they are quite confident to achieve this in this tough times of pandemic. तो अच्छा है because काफ़ी secured है, SOP सारे follow किए गए हैं and everybody is safe here. So I think एक अच्छा organized event है. Always it's great to be a part of Bombay Times Fashion Week, and today I'm in Narendra Kumar. So he's one of my favorites, especially for guys. I think he designs pretty good. We are working after around 10 years. So मज़ा आया मिलके. We had a great shoot outside. This year the theme is a little different. It's small films about fashion and shot with Mercedes. So great experience. It's not about color. It's about pattern. I think it's a bomber jacket and nice sleek pants. And because winters are coming, so I think everyone in these kind of places where winters are not that chilly, I think these kind of jackets are quite in. So Narendra has designed these, and fantastic colors and combinations we have. And we shot with Mercedes this year, AMG, which I also have a Merc. So it's a great shoot, and you'll love the film when it comes out.
And rap walk से पहले वाली क्या feeling होती है, like excited होते हैं
It's yeah, exciting because I started my career with Ram
इसीलिए
as a fashion model. So it's great to be back on the Ram. Though there was no Ram, but I think still the posing and the walk is quite similar. So enjoy. इसलिए अच्छा ही फील होता है because आप काफ़ी मेहनत करते हैं उस फिल्म के ऊपर. आप एक तो मौका मिलता है सबसे बड़ा, उस पर आप मेहनत करते हैं, अपना रोल अदा करते हैं, और फिर जब लोग जो दर्शक हैं उसको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा ही लगता है. एंड इट्स अच्छा एक समय कह सकता हूँ मैं, एक मेरा नसीब थोड़ा अच्छा है. बाकी मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा उन सभी लोगों को जिन्होंने मुझे चांस दिया है, जो मुझे फिल्में देते हैं या जो मुझे इस लायक समझते हैं कि मैं उनकी फिल्म का हिस्सा बन सकता हूँ. फ़िलहाल तो अभी एक सीरीज़ है जो 18 दिसंबर को लॉन्च हो रही है Z5 पे. उसका नाम है ब्लैक विडोज़. उसकी डबिंग अभी कंप्लीट की है. देन ऑब्वियसली कुछ शूट से जो पैंडमिक की वजह से आधे रह गए थे, जैसे कुछ है. फिर एक तमिल फिल्म है आलम करके, वो रह गई थी, तो वो सब कंप्लीट किए हैं. ना जो स्टार्टेड माई न्यू फिल्म, तो आप लुक देख रहे होंगे, वही नई फिल्म का लुक है. मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकता उसके ऊपर, लेकिन बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग से अगेन लोगों को एक सरप्राइज एलिमेंट दिखेगा जब फिल्म बाहर आएगी. तो ये नहीं कह सकता कि अच्छा बुरा क्या है, बट बहुत ही एक अलग किरदार है, बहुत ही एक अलग छवि में दिखूँगा. तो देखते हैं. नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव अ डॉटर, कैशा के लिए हमेशा एक 15-20 दिन पहले से ही क्रिसमस की तैयारी शुरू होती हैं. वो क्रिसमस ट्री लग जाता है, सेंटा क्लॉज घर पे हैं, सो ऑल दैट फेस्टिव मूड होता है. एंड बिकॉज किड्स दे लव गिफ्ट्स, तो सेंटा क्लॉज ही गिफ्ट लाते हैं. सो सारे बच्चे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके बच्चे घर पे आते हैं. एक छोटी सी पार्टी होती है. इस साल थोड़ी सी लिमिटेड पार्टी होगी बिकॉज पैंडमिक है. तो जिन लोगों के साथ सेफ हैं या जो लोग जिनसे हम मिलते रहें एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप के, वही लोग रहेंगे. बट बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा दिन है, तो मज़ा आएगा. न्यू ईयर्स ऑब्वियसली एक रिचुअल होता है, कहीं बाहर जाएंगे. सो कर रहे हैं प्लान कहीं बाहर, ऐसी जगह जो सेफ हो, क्लोज बाय हो, और हिंदुस्तान में. दिस इज शरद केड़कर एंड आई विश ऑल ऑफ यू मैरी क्रिसमस एंड हैप्पी एंड प्रॉस्परस न्यू ईयर.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है. आई लाइक द एक्सपीरियंस, वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम what we have done before. I like making films, and it's a really good experience to be able to create a virtual fashion show with a kind of a fun story to talk about, and using cinematics, making films. Fantastic, really love the opportunity, and we had such a wonderful shoot today, and hopefully the film will look as good as the shoot that we had today. It's very different. सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये कलेक्शन बहुत यंग है, एथलीजर है, क्लब वेयर है, और मर्सिडीज़ की जो गाड़ी भी जो आप देखिए तो AMG इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी फन यंग SUV. तो उसका मैच बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक था. दूसरी बात, दिस इज़ ए यूथफुल ब्रांड. द ब्रांड दैट वी शोड इज़ FKNS. FKNS stands for fake news. Fake news is always in the news and will always be in the news for the future. So topical theme, but nice story about colors, bright colors, neon prints, which are really important for the FKNS. Sharat ke liye, we made him a special jacquard brocade bomber He looked really fantastic in it. Sports. It goes with his new क्या कहते हैं sensibility, his body language, and his very kind of youthful look for all of us. I thought he was sterling in his. तो कलेक्शंस ये जो हम अभी का जो कनेक्शन आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट ईयर एंड पार्टिंग. वी कांट पार्टी सो मच इन कोविड, बट जो थोड़ा हम करते हैं, लोग साथ मिलते हैं, बिकॉज 9 महीने से किसी ने मिला नहीं, किसी को मिले नहीं, वी हैव नॉट मेट. इट्स अ गुड टाइम टू डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फन, स्लाइटली, बट ऑलवेज बीइंग केयरफुल, हैविंग योर मास्क ऑन. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
काफ़ी डिफरेंट था. ऑफ कोर्स आप वो लाइव थ्रिल मिस करते हैं, लाइव ऑडियंसेस की. यू कैन मेक कॉन्टैक्ट विद देम एंड यू काइंड ऑफ वाइबिंग. बट on the other hand, you could have n number of takes, so that was a relief.
You're more in control.
Yeah, you're more in control. You know that even if things go wrong, it's okay. I think ramp walk is quite an art in itself, and I'm always quite I have butterflies in my stomach.
But for you it
all
must
the
be
time.
easier this because it's like shooting a film.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
this was far more relaxing in that sense, but you miss the
Yeah.
live audience.
अभी 40 साल के बाद क्या बोलूँ?
No, it's a virtual.
No. I mean it's very nice. बहुत अच्छा है. The thing is that it can be planned, and there's editing after that, which can make it really good.
Yeah.
So what we're doing right now is shooting extra. So then it's the editors and the rest of the team which really will make this show
Come alive.
into an incredible show. Like as I always said, a designer doesn't stand alone. A designer stands with his team, and when it comes to a fashion show, there are so many other people around which really make a fashion show a fashion show. So that is what I'd like to thank the Times today for giving us this opportunity. पूरा कपड़े में हैंडलूम इस्तेमाल किया है. आई एम वेरी इनटू इंडियन वीव्स, और मैं 2005 में गमछा इस्तेमाल किया है. 2007 में मैं वो शोलापुर ब्लैंकेट. बाद में मैं हमेशा इंडिया का चीज़ मैं देखना चाहिए, और मेरा कटिंग my cutting is only based on India. I am not into Western cutting. I am not into nangi-pangi clothes. I think that is something which is so sensationalist and not at all necessary with fashion. Fashion has to be a reflection of the lady.
True.
You
Very
know?
true.
So I may design what I want, magar will it suit her? That is the most important thing. And when you're selling something also, if you're selling something to somebody which doesn't look nice in your clothes but the price is right, it's an insult to her as well as to me. Because when she wears it, she's not going to look nice.
Yeah.
And then when she wears it, she won't be comfortable.
True. Very true.
So fashion is all about comfort and about the other woman wearing it. It's not about the designer. We are just there to make other people's dreams come true.
बहुत ज़्यादा, as he so rightly put, that fashion is something wherein it's an extension of one's personality. It should be suited to one's body type and the way they are in personality also, and then beautify that further. Bring that alive. Aspects of you which probably you don't see in aspects of the woman, which you don't probably see just like that. And I think Indian clothes do something to a woman, the Indianness of it and the sensuality and everything like that. And James' clothes, I loved the outfit at first look. For me, it really works because it, personally to my body type, this kind of an outfit just reflects what is beautiful and hides what is a problem. But then on the other hand, it makes me feel extremely confident and comfortable. But also on the ramp, I must add, I saw such variety of outfits today on his show. Everyone was different, everyone was unique. There was a different flavor in terms of textiles, in terms of the shapes and sizes and what they were signifying as costumes. And I was completely in awe. And every single outfit was better than the other. So yeah, so I think the show was fantabulous. I really loved his designs and the way he is more than anything else.
Thank you.
And I hope that we work together in future. I think primarily feeling comfortable is the most important of all. And after that, it's really about, for me, it's about the occasion. You know, where am I? Like at an airport, I would probably wear something that I'm comfortable. I know that I have to take a whole flight of a couple of hours and then travel. I'll really, comfort will be the primary thing. If it's an evening function, if it's an award function, then I can skip the comfort a little bit and do something that I would probably not wear on other days, just to make myself feel that way for that particular day. But yeah, more than anything else, whatever I'm wearing, I should like it. It should be for me, not just for the opposite person. And it should denote something about me and not be completely contrary to my personality. बहुत अच्छा लगता है पूरी टीम जब इतने शिद्दत के साथ काम करती है प्रोजेक्ट को साथ में लगाते हैं बनाती है. It took us to make some 5-6 months to make Ashram, and the entire credit goes to Prakash sir and the whole team. The actors were just one part of it who were on the forefront, but it was the entire team that worked for a year and a half, and MX as a studio which supported such a concept, and I think it's a very important concept that got told, and I'm glad that people appreciated it in the right perspective and gave it so much love, and which could have gone horribly wrong in the times that we are in today. But that just shows that when you put things in the right perspective in a very unbiased manner, people see that, and if they take something home with them, that's their victory.
No. Oh, I'm going to start crying. सिर्फ उनके लिए.
आपने देखा इनके आश्रम या क्रिमिनल जस्टिस?
वो अपने कपड़े देखेंगे, वो आश्रम या क्रिमिनल जस्टिस में भी देख रहे होंगे कि आउटफिट कैसी है, यहाँ गलत किया या सही किया.
I've been in this, मैं अभी 40 साल इसमें है ना, तो मैं इतना लोग आया है, इतना लोग गया है, मगर I only want to say one thing. It is about the personality of the person which is the most important. And I mean, fashion comes, fashion goes, but I think if you need to stick to classics, like ये outfit मैं Vogue शुरू करने के लिए वो जोधपुर में वो they did that show at the Umeed Bhavan. I had made this outfit at that time.
Wow.
इसका मतलब ये आउटफिट है 21 years old, मगर जो मैं करते हैं मैं देखना चाहिए कि मैं ये क्लासिक है. आप 20 साल पहला या 20 साल के बाद पहन सकते हैं, मगर वो फ्रेश दिखना चाहिए और नया दिखना चाहिए. वो तो मेरा कपड़े का, I want to say that with my clothes.
To everyone out there, have a great, fantastic New Year's, and enjoy yourself thoroughly. 2020 has been a trying year for all of us, and I'm sure that 2021 would be equally refreshing, and I hope we take some learnings forward. And thank you, James, for dressing me up so beautifully.
Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoy our show. Please watch it.
Like a proper ramp show. It's like a short film sort of thing, and it's very different. And the brand is Carrera, and they're awesome glares, and she's the main person from Carrera. And they have a lot of nice glares they have. And thank you for having me as showstopper.
Thanks to you.
Thank you, and very a good time.
Well, we could not have done it better than this, because Kushal is the heartthrob of youngsters. He's the millennial icon. Everybody loves him. So we could not have a better person than Kushal Tandon for the show. We are very, very excited, supremely excited to be part of this show.
Yeah.
And thank you for being here.
Thank you for calling me. Nervousness, I mean, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It's just a walk, and I've been a model. I was Miss Tate in 2005, so ramp पहले किया हुआ है. And camera के सामने and ramp is different, but of course I had a lot of fun. It was nice, it was amazing, and good. I had fun. Be yourself, darling. Just be yourself, and just be yourself, and just wear the confidence and wear the smile and just walk. वो आ चुका है. It's done. It got 9.1 IMDb rating of 10 and 4.8 out of 5. It's the #1 show for Alt and Z5. And I'm thrilled people are loving Sufyan, and they're given me an immense love. Yeah. This time because I opened a restaurant, Arbor 28, and I'm celebrating over there Christmas Eve and 31st. So I'm excited to call people. Please, you all welcome to Arbor 28, and you also, man. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year to you and to your families. Have a good one. I hope this COVID goes fast, and the 2021 will be much better than 2020.